Breaking news! Jamaica's most wanted caught on camera. What he stole may amaze the brightest minds in our society. Until then, see you in the detail. China's brightest talent and YouTube sensation is taking his training to the streets for the first time to show others what he can do with his unique set of skills. News brought to you today by Unscripted TV. If you want entertainment, check it out. If you want a blessing, check him out. Unscripted TV. The link they right down in the description box, people. One of the best things on YouTube right now. Man's best friend was today arrested for robbery with aggravation. A search of his pockets revealed the stolen item. After 10 consecutive years of winning this trophy, Wife of the Year was dethroned after her husband submitted a footage of their breakfast together. Jamaica's most wanted criminal was today again seen breaking into a home. What he left with may surprise the brightest minds in our society. What? Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.